Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create Daphne from Scooby-Doo in Dress to Impress. So again, removing everything except for the ones I did adjustments on. For the hair, I used these bangs in this color, C86421, and I also used it on all the hairs here. So for this hair, I did minor adjustments, Y at 0.55, Z 0.55, and then I also did it to this hair in Y 0.58, Z 0.55, and scaled it to 0.26. Then for the headband, I went to the accessories area and colored it B28 AFF. This one, where is it? This one. And then for the adjustments, Y at 0.51, Z 0.49, rotated at X 0.26, and scaled it to 0.46. Then for the scarf, I used this one in A4AE4F in silk. Scale it down to 0.28, and then Y at 0.55, Z 0.46. Rotate the X at 0.6, Y 0.18, and Z 0.5. For the outfit, you don't need VIP for this. I use this top here in this color, 6D56, wait, 6055 CE. And then I used this skirt in that same color, and then 9A7EFF. And then I also use this in the lighter color for the band. I know it looks weird from the back, but we don't really focus on the back that much. Get these stockings and color it pink, and just make it a little bit lighter than it is. For the shoes, I used the Valentine's Day shoe one, this one, in that same purple color. And voila, that is it. Super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.